Some ladies prefer to wash their hair before installing, although all Indianhair.net products are already treated, conditioned, and washed before arriving to our customers. To begin this process, you're going to saturate your hair extensions in lukewarm water. Make sure that you always run your hair in the direction of the hair's alignment to keep the cuticles aligned to minimize tangles. We recommend using Dove Daily Moisture shampoo and conditioner on your hair extensions. So take a generous amount of that conditioner and run it in the direction of the cuticle alignment. Once you've saturated your hair extensions with the Dove conditioner, you can allow it to sit, and this will add fragrance, extra softness, and activate the curl pattern before you install. Once you have it thoroughly conditioned, you can rinse that conditioner from your hair extensions, again using lukewarm water and keeping the cuticles aligned in the same direction. Wring out your hair by gently running your fingers down the hair shaft and squeezing gently. Here's the texture of the Brazilian curly hair when wet. And to dry, you simply need to hang it up using a clothespin and a hanger. Here's the texture of the hair dry and close up. For more tips and information, please visit us at Indianhair.net. Thank you so much for watching.